Unboxing my new Sony brush. Philips Sony pair. Hallelujah. This one is so light compared to my Oral-B. Let's see. Then I pack this. Pink. Very pink. What's that? Here we are. What we got? Philips Care Cleanse Black Edition. I choose pink. Why the name is Black Edition? White, healthier teeth for life. Clean white polish gum care sensitive. Diamond blue clean. 1 Sonicare toothbrush handle, 2 diamond clean brush heads, 2 hygiene brush head cap, 1 USB cable. Wow! I asked the seller how many brush heads. She told me that only 1, but in here state that there are 2 brush heads. Remove extinction tooth stain in 1 week to brighten and whiten teeth. This is a manual toothbrush, but what's it mean? So confusing. Removes up to 7 more blades. Believe in hot area. Let me see. Well, hallelujah. Thank you guys. Well, this is Philips, the original from China. Everything in the world is made in China, guys. The chain is made in Vietnam, please. Wow, hallelujah. So nice. Here's okay. Ding, hallelujah. Oh, so light. Is compared to, let me see, compared to my Oral-B. Look, luxury. USB cable, 2 brush heads. Whoa, look professional. Hey, let me see. Manual here. Oh, thank God it has in English as well. I thought it's no only Chinese. Menu of electric toothbrush stick, customer virtual intelligent sonic toothbrush in order to please pay attention. This is from China. This is not authentic Philips Care. If authentic Philips Care is will cost around 300 US dollar. This one cost me only, how much should I say, how much? Maybe 50 euros. Yeah, let me try how to send it. Let me put down. See. Maybe what we have here is the Sony Philips Sonicare made in China, and this ROV, authentic ROV, but it also manufactured in China, but it have warranties from ROV. This product is with the warranty here. Let me test, see. Let me see. This one is the variant from this. Yes. This one is from my this you can adjust the function here. I need to use for this. White polish gum care. You can see the movement here. Hopefully it lasts long for 1 year, because without quarantine, this my toothbrush already from ROV with quarantine. This one from China without quarantine. So buy at your own risk. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you guys try it. Have maybe you can make a decision to take a try with it. Not authentic Philips Care, Sonicare. It's for whoever want to experience how electric toothbrush can have for their oral care routines. You can make a choice for this product. It's a good choice, and even is more convenient than ROV authentic, because the cable for charger is very convenient. You can charge anywhere in the world, because with this USB charger, or let me compare with my Waterpik charger here. Where is it now? Where do I put this? Where this? I put it here. Oh no, this one. Here we are. Here's it. This is the cable for my Waterpik, also USB. It is the cable for my new Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush. This is the cable. This is the cable for the ROV toothcare. So hope you guys enjoy and you find some tips for your research, because before you make decision to buy a toothbrush, before I make this decision, I also did a lot of research and asked guys, whether should I buy. During the time I did the research, I went to the dentist and I asked the dentist. She has 6 years experience at a dentist, but I asked her about the electric toothbrush. She had no clue, and she said, doesn't matter what kind of brush I use, as long as I brush it correct way, my teeth still be healthy. I was doubt that time. I was confused and I got, is this, I make a wrong decision. I will worry, is it I waste money for nothing? But I still have faith that I trust God that I make the correct decision. And I was so excited for first time I received the products, because I did try the other product. It's not so good for cleaning. I think it can be suitable for children. Oh, sorry baby, I did not put you correctly already. Make you. This is from Watson. That's cheaper just for first price, but actually I bought this one not so expensive because I have a promotion code. But this one not so good for cleaning at adult things, because it's so sharp and so small the brush. But it's okay, it's a good try for children. I think I will save this one to give to my niece or my nephew later with the new replaced head. So actually, I really enjoyed this Oral-B Oral-B's basic brush. But I don't like one thing. I don't know when my battery run out, and when halfway I'm brushing, it's run out of battery. But it's really help a lot. It's really clean. Have to clean on the molar teeth, your wisdom teeth in the corner, very hard to reach. And this one my new brush for a new tries to help me when my this main brush run out of battery. If this one is with quarantine from Oral Philips Sonicare, is super expensive. I cannot afford it. Super expensive. Okay, thank you for Chinese Philips Sonicare. Uncle, but thank to God that China is the one make everything cheap. If you want to experience how good toothbrush, every toothbrush is, how clean and how convenient to have you for your cleaning proteins, you should try this product. Hallelujah. Thank you, you guys. Hope you have. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, guys.